Good evening, Stephen. How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. How are
We
you?
welcome you in this
Nice to
show
see you.
here as well. Nice to see you here. And ladies and gentlemen, you can see we are here with the local MP of East Ham, East London, Mr. Stephen. So I'm going to talk to him and welcome him as well. Hi, Stephen. Welcome to this show.
Thank you.
And we're really delighted to see you here and among all the Pakistani communities. And one of our Pakistani famous singer as well, Ataullah Sahan, he'll be as well. He's going to be arriving here soon as well. So you will have a chance to see him and listen him. He's such a lovely personality. So anything you would like to say to Pakistani communities in your own words?
Well, this is a big event in our local community. We're expecting hundreds of people to be here this evening, reflecting his popularity, and all credit to him for that. I know he's been a regular visitor and he's always very, very popular when he comes. We're also, of course, marking the fact this evening that the Gurdwara in Pakistan has been kind of opened up to visitors, Sikhs from India, and I welcome that and applaud it.
Much
I'm delighted
appreciated.
it's being done.
Thank you very much for your time and company here today.
Nice to see you.
You're welcome.
See you again. Thank you very much indeed.